Well, my dear students, now I am coming here with more questions based on moment of inertia. Actually, in every competitive exam, questions are there on moment of inertia, and it involve also further get mixed. These questions get mixed with the other questions also, like find kinetic energy and so many things are there. So here in figure 1, this is figure 2 and 3. These are three different questions. In figure 1, a thin rod, a thin, a light and thin rod of length L has masses M1 and M2 at its ends. Now, find the moment of inertia. Find the moment of inertia. About center of mass. M1 M2 are two masses at end of the thin rod and light. I want to explain you again here. Thin light means the rod has no mass. We have written here that rod has no mass. When you are not told light, halki means no mass. So mass of rod is not under consideration. So find the moment of mass M1 and M2 about an axis passing through. Find the moment of inertia of masses about an axis passing through center. Find moment of inertia about center mass. Find moment of inertia about an axis passing through center mass, through CM. So how to find CM of these two? देखो center mass involved हो गए हैं. Using we are doing question on moment of inertia, but center mass involved. कि let coordinate of this be 0 0 और इसका 0 क्या होगा L 0. तो y तो 0 है ही, only x फाइंड करना है. तो that x मान लो यहाँ से है ये पॉइंट p x, तो x will be m1 into 0 plus m2 into L upon m1 plus m2. यानी कि this x equal to m2L अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया निकालना है इस पॉइंट का, तो इसका भी सेम ही है. सिमिलरली डिस्टेंस, सपोज दिस इज y, तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ m2 फ्रॉम सेंटर मास y विल बी m1L प्लस m1 प्लस m2. If without doing these questions you have not practiced forces question and you are given, you will say this is very tough question. And this fact used in many questions. कि two masses are at distance L or Y or Z कुछ भी हो सकता है. Find the moment of inertia, find the center of mass, ये question है. और find the moment of inertia, or find the rotation energy. So many things are attached with this. Now I equal to I1 plus I2 होगा. What is I1? m1 into x square प्लस m2 into, अगर ये y डिस्टेंस है तो क्या होगा भाई? x is this m1 into m2 square L square upon m1 plus m2 whole square plus m2 into m1 square L square upon m1 plus m2 whole square. When things are understood by us, then no problem there. You can attempt any question, you can solve easily. But if you don't solve question, then how to solve? m1 m2 L square or m1 plus m2 whole square be common. So m1 m2 L square upon m1 plus m2 whole square. Here it is m2 plus here m1. So this cancel by square. So this we get here m1 m2 L square upon m1 plus m2. तो moment of inertia about center mass easily calculate होगा, है भाई? और this question has been asked somewhere NEET 2016. NEET 2016 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. There is problem. Some students like to speak in Hindi here. I can speak, but the people who are, but mostly my subscriber Indian हैं, so I can speak Hindi, no problem. I don't speak because you are a student of English medium, so you must try. You must your English. I have noticed English of our student is much better than our English, so you can understand. Now in figure 2, this is a rod of length L and mass M. It is bent into two, cut into two parts and welded together at right angle. Total length L3, total length L, cut in two parts and welded together to form this 9-degree angle. So what is the moment of inertia? About an axis passing through the welded point and normal to the length of the rod. So question is simple here. I have told you moment of inertia of thin rod. अगर ये thin rod है, इसका मास m है, ये लेंथ l है, तो moment of inertia about this axis था ml square by 12 through one end. तो इसका मास हो गया m by 2, length हो गया l by 2. तो moment of inertia of the system will be I equal to say I1 plus I2, यानी कि twice of 1 by 12 of m by 2 into l square by 4. Twice होगा इसका. How much left? These two cancel. It is ml square upon 48. Is that clear? Oh no, sorry. हाँ, ठीक. ये गलत हो गया तो. ml square by 3 था. Sorry. वो तो through center में आता है ml square. ml square by 3. About an axis. Sorry बच्चों. So now it will be here I equal to twice of m by 2 into l by 2 whole square upon 3. You can take 3 out. So 2 by 3 into m l square by 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So it is ml square by 12. It is ml square by 12. This was the question here. Now the last question. The last question here is, Sorry, जल्दी में बात हो जाता कई बार. Now this is 1/4 of a disc, and mass of this quarter is m only. इस क्वार्टर का मास ही m है. So what is the moment of inertia of this quarter about an axis normal to plane of this quarter? So you will think, everybody may think that this is the part of disk, and moment of inertia disk क्या होता है, half mr square. So if I think the whole disk, then it is 1/4 of the mass of that will be 4m. तो उसका 1/4 ही होगा. But here it is simply by its part has the disk ही है. It is itself a disk. तो इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इक्वल टू 1/2 into mr square. That's all, half mr square. If you suppose it to be disk, part of disk, then total mass is 4m. So 4mr square by 2 और उसका 1/4 से कट जाएगा. Part of disk, you can imagine like that also to understand, but क्योंकि अभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं आपके सामने. अभी मैं क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ आपको बहुत अच्छा, ठीक है भाई. तो सिंपली हमारे हाफ mr square. दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन JEE 2001. ये सब क्वेश्चन करा रहा हूँ मैं जो डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आ रहे हैं. प्लीज शेयर दीज वीडियोज अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स. डोंट यू लाइक योर फ्रेंड्स? Don't you want that your friends to achieve and for them subject become easier? So for the benefit of your friends and yourself also, you should keep on discussing with each other. This is one method of learning. Okay, what I have learned I should discuss with our friend so that he may also understand. If he does not, but you will understand. Now there is a question here. This is a disk. There is a disk whose mass is 9m. Total mass 9m. And radius r है. Radius is r. From this disk, a disk of radius r/3. This radius r/3 is cut, and then this mass disk. So you are asked to find the mass of the moment of inertia of this disk about an axis passing center and normal to the plane of disk. The total mass of disk is 9m. Total mass of disk is 9m, and this disk of radius r/3 is cut from this. तो what is the distance of the center from here? ये center O है, ये O dash. तो here O dash equal to r minus r/3 equal to 2r/3. This distance here 2r/3. So what to do? Total mass 9m. So how to find out mass of cut part? Mass of disk of radius r/3 is equal to 9m upon pi r square. मास पर यूनिट एरिया अमेरिका में, जैसे आप कहते हैं ना कि केले ना 50 रुपीज पर डे, नहीं 12 केले हैं 50 रुपए के, तो 4 केले कितने के? तो आप एक की निकाल लोगे ना. हाँ भाई 50 रुपये 12 गुना 4 लाइक दैट. तो 9m upon pi r square is the mass unit area. So this area is how much? Pi into r/3 whole square. So it is 9m upon pi r square or into pi into r square by 9. तो इट लेफ्ट ओनली m। तो ये जो मास है इसका सिर्फ बचेगा m। तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया स्केलर क्वांटिटी, moment of inertia of this and moment of inertia of this, and subtract moment of inertia of the disk which has been taken off from the whole disk. But how to find moment of inertia of the disk about this axis? यहाँ पे जो एक्सिस पास हो रही है, now what we are finding out moment of inertia of this disk about this axis, which is normal to define the pen program. हमारी एक्सिस ऐसे है ना नॉर्मल टू प्लेन ऑफ डिस्क। तो नाउ आई टोल्ड यू मास हैज इज m। तो दिस जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट दिस, वो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया डिस्क अबाउट दिस एक्सिस क्या होगा, 1/2 into 9 mr square, half mr square disk, minus moment of inertia of this part about this axis. इससे दूरी 2/9 है, तो we will use here theorem of parallel axis. Moment of inertia about this axis is equal to moment of inertia through center mass plus mh square. ICM plus mh square. So it is 9 mr square by 2 or minus ICM again 1/2 into m, r is r by 3, r square by 9 plus what is the distance here, mass तो m है इसका, mh, m की जगह m और ये mh square 2r by 3 4 square 9 mr square upon 2 minus it is how much, mr square by 18 और plus 4 mr square upon 9, 9 mr square by 2 minus 18 LCM mr square plus 8 mr square, ये 9 mr square है भाई, am I right? 9 2 जा 18 और 2 4 जा 8, तो 9 by 18, 9 by 18 is, so it is 9 mr square upon 2 minus 2 minus mr square by 2, so it is 4 mr square by 8 mr square बचेगा by 2, so it is 4 mr square. So by doing question we can remember the topics which we have learnt. But we have learnt theorem of parallel axis, perpendicular axis. We have learnt moment of inertia of disk about an axis passing center. We have learnt theorem of parallel axis, theorem of perpendicular axis. So all are applied here. I think it is good question for you. I will take more question in coming video because this has become 19 minutes video.